Good morning, it's Monday and I'm starting a new week of what I packed my husband for lunch. Today I'm giving him a sparkling ice drink in the kiwi strawberry flavor, a Great Value ginger ale. It tastes very similar to like Canada Dry or Schweppes, and of course, as always, the water cooler. Sandwich here is on some rye bread. It is rare roast beef, Swiss cheese, some iceberg lettuce, and then some of that special sauce from Aldi. It's actually called special sauce, which I kind of find, I guess, a little weird, but this is what the bottle looks like. I've been asked about it a few times. It literally is kind of like a Big Mac sauce, so like sort of a Thousand Island type of vibe. But anyways, that is the condiment on the sandwich. I did pack some leftover. These are just the little smoky sausages. I do them in the crock pot on football sometimes. Sometimes I'll do meatballs. Sometimes I don't do them at all, but I did do them yesterday. And I just use some barbecue sauce. I either use Sweet Baby Ray's or Stubbs brand. And then I add in about 3 to 4, depending how many little smokies I have, heaping tablespoons of grape jelly. Can also really use any kind of jelly. I've used apricot, I've used strawberry, although this the strawberry one will leave like chunks of the strawberry in there, so just something to keep in mind. But anyways, he can heat those up later. A Flips Pumpkin Harvest Crisp yogurt. I got these at Aldi in a 4-pack. One of the Entenmann's minis, so this is like a half chocolate chip and half brownie bar, so it has kind of like a cakey consistency. And then just a banana, and that's what is going on for today. We will see you tomorrow on Tuesday. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a peach nectarine sparkling ice drink and a Dr. Thunder, which is just like a Walmart dupe for Dr. Pepper. Entree today is leftovers from last night, which is actually a pumpkin Alfredo, sort of. Not really. It's like a pumpkin based sauce. One of the YouTubers I watch, Stephanie Letta SML, she did a cooking video on this. I don't remember where she said she got the recipe, but I can link her video in the description box if you want to check out this recipe. It is really tasty. It does have about half a can of pumpkin filling, like pumpkin pie filling from the can, along with other things, obviously, and it does not taste like super pumpkin-y, so just something different. It's very fallish. I've got some hard-boiled eggs here, salt and pepper, just 4 halves, 2 whole eggs, a Kind bar in the peanut butter and dark chocolate, some really crisp, nice red grapes, and then one of these Philadelphia cream cheese brand cheesecake things. So there's like strawberry cheesecake on the bottom and then like graham cracker crumbles on top that you dump in. So I'll have to let you know what Matt says about those because I don't eat cheesecake, so I can't be the judge of it. But that is his lunch today, and we will see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is Wednesday, and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today, I'm giving him a Polar Sparkling Frost in the black raspberry flavor, and then a Great Value ginger ale, just a Walmart like dupe for Canada Dry or Schweppes. Sandwich here is just Sara Lee butter bread. It's got some rare roast beef, some iceberg lettuce, some Swiss cheese, and then some of that special sauce from Aldi, which is essentially like a Big Mac sauce or a Thousand Island style sauce. A Pumpkin Harvest crisp yogurt. He's had these before. I got a 4-pack at Aldi and he does like them. He also said that Philadelphia cream cheese strawberry little graham cracker thing from, I believe, yesterday, he said that was really good. So I'm going to get those again, and if they have any other flavors that he would like, I'll grab those as well. This is just a Kind thin bar, peanut butter and dark chocolate. And then I'm also going to pack a couple of these. They're just some ham cup egg muffins, so like the actual shell is ham. My hands are clean. And then the egg and stuff is in the middle. So these have peppers, onions, sharp cheddar, an egg, seasonings, and then obviously the ham is what they all baked in. They came out really good. So I'm just going to pack a couple of these for him to take for, you know, like a morning snack or whatever. And that's everything that's going into his lunch today. We will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. It is Thursday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a mango hibiscus pure leaf iced tea, a black cherry sparkling ice drink, and he is having leftovers from last night. This is what it looks like today. I'll show you a picture or a clip of what it looks like last night. So it is obviously spaghetti, and then it has ground turkey, zucchini, peppers, onions, garlic, a little bit of tomato paste to give it a little color and flavor. And then the key in this dish is a ton of seasoning. So it's oregano, basil, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, red pepper flake. I'm definitely forgetting a couple, but you guys get the vibe. It's like a Italian style seasoning. Just some hard-boiled eggs, salt and pepper, a banana, one of the Bang cookies, sea salt and chocolate chip. I actually gave a few of them to my parents, and they really love them as well. And then one of the Philadelphia cream cheese brand, like strawberry cheesecake dessert thing. So the bottom is like cheesecake with strawberry, and the top is like a graham cracker crumb that you pour on it. And Matt said it was really good, so I'm definitely going to be getting these again, and like I mentioned earlier in this video, I believe, seeing if they have any other flavors for him to try that I think he would like. But this is what he's taking today, and we'll see you tomorrow on Friday. Good morning. It is Friday and we made it to the end of the work week. I am getting ready to pack Matt up for lunch today. I'm giving him an Arizona green tea with ginseng and honey, and then a Great Value ginger ale. We actually got takeout last night. We have my son's jiu-jitsu classes 3 to 4 nights a week, and every once in a while we get takeout. There is several restaurants right nearby, like literally that you can walk to. So we got some Chinese, and this is just some leftover lo mein. It's just roast pork lo mein, just pretty standard, and I just have it in this 4-cup glass container that Matt can heat up. I've got some hard-boiled eggs here, just salt and pepper on those. This is one of those Philadelphia cream cheese, or not cream, yes, Philadelphia cream cheese cheesecake things. I did get more of them, and I'm also wanting to get a couple different flavors. The only other one I saw this time is just like a plain one, and I don't think he would like that. So this is just a strawberry one. And then this I got last month, and I do need to use them because they obviously have an expiration date like most things like this. This is a Reese's peanut butter cupcake. I think it's from either the Drake brand or the Hostess brand. I obviously don't have the box, but it's just like a chocolate cupcake with the Reese's inside the peanut butter, and then like frosting and sprinkles on top. But yeah, that's what's for lunch today on Friday. I hope you enjoyed this week's lunch video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.